If you're looking to keep your support teams accountable, using internal SLAs, service level agreements, is the perfect solution. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to implement them effectively and keep your team on track. First, let's talk about why internal SLAs are crucial. Without them, it's easy for response times to slip, tasks to pile up, and for support teams to lose focus. SLAs create clear expectations on response times and resolution deadlines, which not only keeps everyone accountable, but also improves overall team performance. Now, to get started, define your internal SLAs. The key is to set realistic and measurable targets for your support teams. For instance, you might set a rule that all customer inquiries should be acknowledged within 30 minutes, or that critical issues must be resolved within 24 hours. Keep in mind, these SLAs should be tailored to the nature of your business and your team's capabilities. The more specific you can get with your metrics, the better. Once your SLAs are in place, it's time to implement them in your workflow. This is where your software will come in. Whether you're using a ticketing system or a project management tool, make sure it's set up to track and enforce these SLAs automatically. The software will give you visibility into whether or not those deadlines are being met, and will send reminders when things are close to breaching. The software we'll be using today integrates easily with these systems, making it simple to track and adjust performance in real time. The next step is to communicate these SLAs clearly to your support team. Transparency is key. Make sure everyone knows the expectations and understands the importance of meeting these targets. Hold regular check-ins to ensure your team is on track, and use the software to track their progress. If any SLA is missed, analyze the root cause and adjust workflows if necessary. But here's where it gets interesting. You can use internal SLAs to foster a culture of continuous improvement. By tracking your team's performance over time, you'll identify trends. Are certain types of tickets consistently missed? Are response times improving or getting worse? Use that data to refine your processes and tweak your SLAs as necessary. SLAs aren't static. They evolve with your team's growth and your business needs. Now, I know it might seem overwhelming at first to create these SLAs and integrate them into your process. But trust me, it's worth it. The accountability it builds within your team will not only improve customer satisfaction, but will also ensure that tasks are completed efficiently, boosting overall productivity. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? Implementing internal SLAs is a game changer for keeping support teams accountable. By defining clear, realistic targets, using software to track progress, and fostering open communication, you'll see measurable improvements in performance. Just to recap, define your SLAs based on your business needs, implement them in your software, and keep your team informed and accountable. And don't forget, our software makes this all easier. I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can start applying this today. Thanks for watching.